The Bitcoin price is currently exploding right now, and in today's video we're going to be having a look at Bitcoin surging and exploding past $24,000. Will Bitcoin hold above that level? What is going on? And of course we're going to be having a look at this downward trend. So this is going to be a quick update, but Bitcoin clearly broke this downward trend right here, and we know that the trend is your friend until it bends, and Bitcoin clearly had a beautiful V-shaped recovery. Now, not only did we climb back above this resistance right here, and you could take it all the way back to the future, or in the past I should say, but we also destroyed this resistance and we're currently exploding. Let's have a look at some of the RSI. We are seeing in the RSI right here, we are clearly oversold. We know when we're oversold, it usually means that a big move is coming, right? So every time when we're at the 30 level or below the 30, a massive move is coming, and this is exactly what is happening right now. We saw that big move right here, we exploded. We saw being oversold right here, we're exploding. So every time we are oversold, you want to look for these opportunities. Let's have a look at the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we are nearing that overbought region. Now we know every time we're above the 70 on the RSI, that is usually overbought. So we were overbought right here. Guess what happened when we were overbought right here? We started decreasing. Overbought right here, started decreasing. So can we see a potential move coming back down? Is this just a dead cat bounce? Is this just a fake out? Well, let's have a look at some of the volume real quick. We could see right here on the volume on CoinMarketCap that Bitcoin has a 138% volume increase in the past 24 hours. That is enormous. Traded at 24,240. That is crazy. Usually the volume of Bitcoin, or the volume to market cap ratio, is around 3 to 4%, and we are seeing right now 10% of the whole market cap being traded. It is absolutely wild. Now, if we have a look at Bitcoin on the volume, we can see that we haven't seen volume like this since January 13, 2023. So since the beginning of the year, we haven't seen Bitcoin surging in high volume like that. And we know what happened when we saw extremely high volume. We saw Bitcoin exploding and destroying every support and resistance out there. So the big question is will this keep going up? Are we going to retest all-time highs in 2023 and pass by 25,800? Now we are seeing altcoins surging. Altcoins are exploding right now, as you guys can see on the right side of my screen. We got Ethereum up 613%, Cadena 5%, Veracity 4%, Flux 6%. We got a lot of these altcoins in the green and exploding. We got the Bitcoin dominance, and we have a massive Bitcoin gap right here on CME futures. So the big question is are we going to explode, or are we going to stay around there? Having a look at some news, can we see QE starting to fall down? Are the Feds going to stop raising interest rate? What is happening? Well, first of all, the Feds bail out Silicon Valley Bank depositors, not the bank, but the depositors. That's obviously very, very good. Speculation gathers over Fed interest rate pivots. So does this mean that Feds will start to decrease interest rates, or will they stop raising interest rates? It's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens. Tomorrow we got the CPI numbers, inflation numbers coming out at around 3, I believe, GMT time. So it's going to be very interesting to see where Bitcoin goes. But as of right now, guys, Bitcoin is surging. Bitcoin is pumping 9.34%. We are back above. The bulls are back. They defended this area very, very well, and it's going to be very, very interesting to see what happens. Now, another thing is that if we have a look on the exponential moving average, we can see that Bitcoin is retesting these EMA ribbons. Okay, these EMA ribbons on the weekly is obviously very, very important and very, very crucial. If we have a look at the moving averages, we could see, can Bitcoin come back and retest a 200 moving average? Are we going to get it rejected? Is this just a consolidation phase from this pump? We're going to have to see where this goes overall, but Bitcoin right now is absolutely dominating and surging. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.